Staring at a blank page, trying to come up with a logo from scratch is surprisingly difficult. Even if you don't end up using an AI-generated logo, it's still a good way to get ideas quickly. So we are in Piktochart right now, and of course in our AI tools menu, there's a whole bunch of tools that you can use here. But today we're going to look at the logo generator, and how it works is really simple. Just click on it and then you can enter a prompt. Obviously there are different sizes in which you can have your logo, and then you can also have it illustrated, engraved, or in line art form, whichever you prefer. So let's try to make a logo for a coffee shop called North Brew. I have already prepared a prompt. Create a modern logo for a specialty coffee brand called North Brew, yada yada yada, and that's the prompt. I'm trying to go for something clean and premium here, something that can work well on a coffee cup as well as a storefront. Let's generate the AI logo and see how this turns out. So here we go, our logo has been generated right here on this page. And even if this isn't the final product in it, and it shouldn't be, I think it's a very strong starting point in terms of how you can move this idea forward. For another one, let's try to create a modern outdoor brand called Summit Trail Co. Design a bold mountain-inspired icon using clean geometric shapes and paired with a strong sans serif typography. Use forest green and deep navy and warm beige as the color palette. So that's a very detailed prompt, and that's how you should be prompting. Let's try to generate this and see what it looks like. And so our logo has been successfully generated, and we can insert this to the page, and let's see what this looks like. I think it is looking promising. Let's scale that up. Okay, that's really good actually. Like, I think I can use that on the first try. Like, obviously we would try to tweak it, change the colors, so on and so forth, maybe change the font here, maybe make the mountain a little higher so that we're not just ripping off this AI logo. But for a starting point, I think this is a very clean logo. Let's just try and look at it on a, let's say, a forest green background. So let's try this on a darker green to just see how it looks like on different colors. Like, look at that, that is actually pretty clean. I like this logo. And just like that, that's how you can use our AI logo generator. Keep in mind that in order to use this right, you definitely need to have a detailed prompt. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.